Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create QR code for your Word document. Now in order for us to get this done, I have this document right here, and for us to make or to upload this one, let's go ahead and close this one, save changes. So once you've closed that one, we're going to head over to our document or to our Google Drive. So yeah, in my case, this one. Sample folder, this is where I want to upload that one. I'm gonna go ahead and locate the file. So say this, I'm gonna upload it here. And then while that is uploading, let's open Google and let's look for QR code generator. So there are a lot of QR code generator here. I'm just gonna use this one right here. And yep, now that it is uploading, I'm gonna click the document, go ahead and click this three dots, share, share, and then you change the general access to anyone with the link, and then copy the link, click done, head over to this site, the QR code generator, and then we're gonna go ahead and put our link here. So you have the option to name this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and type here Word document. So this is optional, by the way, and then click customize and download. So this is the QR code now. So if I am going to click this, it's gonna allow me to download this one. So we're gonna save this in our desktop, and then if I open it, there goes our QR code. And that, everybody, is the easiest way to create QR code for your Word document.